Welcome to Chris Ngumi online mathematics lesson. I am so excited to have you again on board. Today we are continuing inequalities. Previously we have looked at inequalities symbols and its representation. But in our class today we are looking at the forms and parts of inequalities. Just as we have established in equation, so in inequalities, we equally have the three forms, which are simple inequalities. We have inequalities with brackets. We also have inequalities with fractions. So now let's state them. So simple inequalities we have, let's say 3x minus 5 less than 11. This is inequality that is simple. Then the other form is inequality with brackets. Let's say you have 3x minus 5 in brackets is greater than or equals to, let's say, 2x plus 4 in brackets. This is an inequality with brackets. Then the last form is inequality with fraction. 3x minus 5 all over 3 minus 2x plus 4 all over 7 is less than 5 all over 2. For instance, this is an inequality with fraction. So these three forms are similar to that of an equation. Now let's look at parts that constitute the inequality. Now in equation we have equals to in equation that serve as the boundary, but in inequalities you have less than or equals to, greater than or equals to that serves as the boundary. Boundary here we are talking about that separate the left hand side and the right hand side. Now the second part is the left hand side and the right hand side. Now as we say in equation, the same thing to inequality as you are facing it. Now this left hand side, any expression at your left hand side or that is before the inequality symbol on your left is said to be the left hand side. The same thing too, the expression after the inequality symbol that is on your right as you are facing it is said to be the right hand side. So let's demarcate left hand side and right hand side in this inequalities. So you have from here like this. This is the left hand side, and you also have after the inequality symbol right hand side. Because of solving, you need to identify the left hand side and the right hand side. The last part or ingredient is the unknown. Now unknown here is only the value of x, because in inequalities you have inequalities in one variable that deals with only x, and the other one in two variables that deal with x and y because of the Cartesian plane. So in inequalities, the unknown is only x we shall be using, not like the one we have in equation that has alphabet A to Z. So in inequalities, the unknown are limited. Are limited to one, which is, if you observe all of them, they have unknown in x, which is in one variable. So if you look at this simple, the unknown here is x. If you look at this inequality with bracket, the unknown here is x. If you look at this inequality, the unknown here is x. Now, in this simple, it means that if this unknown is found and is substituted here on the left-hand side, you observe that for it to be true, it will observe that this left-hand side will always, the value you get will always be less than this 11. And less than 11, if they are whole number, then it should be any number like 10 downward, which we shall treat in our next class. The same thing too, this x that you see here on the left, and you also see here on the right, where it is solved and found, substitute it here and here, you will observe that the left hand side will be greater than the right hand side for this inequality to be true. Now the same thing applies in the last one. So method of solving inequalities is similar to that of equation. So that means we want to solve, like in our next class, now I want to solve a simple equation or equation with bracket or equation with fraction. We'll make sure that we have the unknown on one side and the number without the unknown or without the x on the other side, which we shall be treating. To see more of this video, or to see more of this lesson, click the follow button, like. You can as well comment if you have anything to say. Do well also to share for others to benefit. Never forget, to understand mathematics, you need an experienced teacher with the mastery of the subject content, and also a student that is committed to learning and practicing what he or she has learned. See you in my next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.